When it comes to affordable health care, my administration took on the big insurance companies and the medical debt collectors. We ended surprise billing for everyone. We protected, and if you've had a bill, you know what I'm talking about. We made sure that pre-existing conditions were covered, so you couldn't be denied coverage. And we're the second state to pass a public health insurance option for everyone that will take effect in 2026. But while I'm working to make healthcare more affordable and lower the cost of prescription drugs, my opponent says that affordable healthcare is BS. I think he's BS, but that's a different story. I know it's not BS to make sure that our families don't go bankrupt and that they stay healthy. But this year, that's on the ballot too. And thanks to Donald Trump's Supreme Court, your right to choose is on the ballot. Yeah, I'll take a vote, yeah. Your right to choose, every woman's right to choose, is on the ballot. My daughters have less protection than the generation that came before them. That's just not right, folks. That's just not right. It is time that we draw a line and take a stand. My opponent's as extreme as he gets. He supports a ban on abortions, wants to ban contraceptives, would let other states throw our healthcare providers and women who travel for procedures in jail. That's what he wants to do. He would pass cruel policies. We signed an executive order to protect every woman coming to the state of Nevada and every healthcare provider from being prosecuted. But you heard what John Legend said, and he's 100% correct. A woman's decision on when and if to start a family is hers and her doctor's alone. No politician should be getting involved in that decision. That's a woman's right. That's a woman's right, and that's a human right. There's one other person that's counting on my opponent to win. The billionaire who was single-handedly bankrolling his entire campaign. Why would one rich guy spend $25 million plus and try to buy this race for Joe Lombardo? There you go. That's exactly right. Tell me he doesn't have something in it. And I said was upset that we put, during the pandemic, we put an eviction moratorium in place, which meant you couldn't, and we needed to do that to protect our families. He didn't like that. He didn't want me to put an eviction moratorium in effect. And I said, hell no. We're protecting the citizens of Nevada, the residents that live here. Greedy billionaires are not going to tell me what to do. We're going to take direction from all of you. That's who we represent, you.